I have a massive mess going on right now. So I've been on the floor laminating leaves, and I'm going to show you how I make, where'd he go? Bookmarks and charms and prep leaves. You do flowers too, but prep leaves to add to your sketchbook or journal with a laminator. So welcome to a Sunday afternoon of arting, and I'm about to laminate some leaves that I've collected for a while. Let's see. Ooh, these are the ones I wanted. So I have other ones in here, but I've been looking all over for these, and I lost one of them. And it made me sad because I found them. Aren't they weird? I've never seen anything like it. They were actually in a puddle at a waterfall when we went hiking this summer near Franklin, Tennessee. So I'm going to do them first. Let's get out some more because I don't want to waste some plastic. Ooh, those are pretty. Ooh, these are pretty too. So I like to use them dried, but I thought it would be really cute to have some leaf charms or bookmarks, and I can do that with the laminator and they won't die. So those are contenders. What's in this little basket? Ooh, he's big. He is too big. But these little guys, what do they look like? They're kind of cute. All right, I'm going to save, keep these, put him to the side. So yes, I do glycerin leaves, but I also use dried leaves. And then I like to laminate them like this, and I'll show you what I do with them. What I do with these guys is, let's pull him out. I make them into bookmarks. Can't really see them from this book, so let me move him out of the way. They're cute when they're sewn into, but also I like them when they're completely plain. So he becomes a bookmark. I would not put it in a Bible or anything with fragile pages because the laminate is kind of thick, but it works really good for textbooks. So that's what I'm going to do with these. I really like that one. Ooh, these are kind of pretty. Even do like a couple, like a 3-part bookmark. I don't know. So we have our laminate. I'm going to open him up. These are my most important ones, so I'm going to stick them in first. I'm not a pro by any means. I'm just a kid wanting to play and make cool stuff. I thought about just putting them in my sketchbook, but they are so fragile. I'm afraid I'm going to break them. So let's go back over here and do this. I know you probably can't see. So they're in there. Like this. And let's go do some more. There you go, you can see them. And we're going to pop in some more. I can pick them up. I really like them as charms, so I don't think I want a big bookmark. I'm just going to space them. Get a little bit of space. There we go. Like that. Oh, he's cool. And I'm going to put him in there. Oh, I lost one. It's okay. I'm just going to rock on. I think that one's beautiful, even though it's not perfect. I'm going to move, so I'm just going to wedge him in there. So here's the funny part about these drawing books. I do use them, but then I also use them for other things. So let's see what's in here. Oh, there's another leaf. Let's see what's in here. Those are pretty too. I'll stick him in there. He's cute. Because everybody needs 4-leaf clovers. Here we go. Look at this one. Actually, this is not a 4-leaf clover. This one right here is a 5-leaf clover. Oh, I'll take that one off. Have static electricity, so I'm going to stop and let's go ahead and feed it through. These little guys are a little bit old. I fed it through the wrong way. Let's go the other way. There you go. That always helps. Oh my goodness, this is exciting. I've been wanting to do this for a while. It's been, quote, on my list. I'm just holding it together because I'm afraid I filled it too much that it's going to pop open. Oh my gosh, check it out. Here they come. This is so exciting. All right. Ta-da! I'll even flip it over. I don't even know if that even makes a difference. You guys may have better experience, more experience than this. And I accidentally got two together right there. But you know what? It's too late. Can't undo it now. We're just going to rock on. Oh, this is so stinking cute. Some of these will be charms. Some of these will be bookmarks. We're good. So I'm going to go ahead and turn them off. Put him out of the way. Okay. Let's go ahead and cut these little guys. Where do I even begin? This is so exciting. I want to do these first because I've been thinking about these for a while. I'm just going to rough cut them out first. And I might not even cut them all out. I think I'm just going to cut out the ones that I want to right now. Ooh, I got them too close. You know what? I'm just going to cut right through it. It'll be okay. And because I know I need a little charm, I just want him. He's really cute. I'm not cutting into the bubble. I'm going a little bit beyond it. I should have thought about that when I put the stems in there, but it is too late now. Okay, I'm going to put these to the side. I'll save them for another time. So, oh, he's cute. He's really cute. So what I'm doing, I don't know if you can see it, I'm going to go around the little bubble and avoid that. I don't want to get any closer because then that's the pocket of air, I'm guessing. Like I said, I am still pretty much new to lamination. Oh, this is so exciting. This is so gratifying. I love to draw, but this stuff is fun too. I didn't leave a spot for the hole. I just realized that, but that's okay. It's just for me. It's not near as pristine as this glycerin preserved leaf. Like, this is wonderful. It's beautiful. If you click the link, it's easy. It's so easy to do. And I'll lead you to that video. But this is more handy, and it can be beat up and tossed around, and it stays. So that's why I use a laminator as well. Oh, these are the ones I want to do. So once again, I'm avoiding that little bubble. And I'll get up in there. I can go back and perfect it, but right now we're just, I don't want to do it. I'm going to get close to this side, I think, and leave more space at the other end. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and get him out. And then right here, I'm going to leave more of a space right there, not in the bubble, and then punch a hole in them. It's kind of fun to do something different for a change. Yeah, I got some too close. That's okay. And which one do I want to do? I think this one's calling my name. Boop. I'm going to leave a little bit of an excess. I'll leave more if I sew it. I'm gonna leave him right there. All right, let's do him. How I put holes in them. It honestly depends on what I'm doing. Sometimes I just put a hole. So I want it like this, hanging like this, hanging like this. You can tell I'm not really prepared. I'm just gonna go ahead and punch them in there. Like that. I mean, that's good enough. Even if it has a little thing coming up the back, it still works. Any hole punch works. It's just, this is what I have here. I'm gonna go in here. That also puts a hole. You can see it right there. I can go even smaller on the next one. Let's see. Oh no, I kind of want it to the side. I just feel like it. Like that. And I'm gonna put it up top, I think, on this one. Ta-da! Embroidery floss, beeswax, and then also it is like a little, oh, he's like a safety pin, but he's kind of cute. He's a different shape. He's a bulb pin. And what I've done with them in the past is, this is my big fat sketchbook, is I've sewn them in and just tacked them, if I can get it open, tack them on the inside cover with thread, like that. Or I've sewn around them, and these are also tacked. Now, they fade with the sun, so they fade over time. This thing is so awkward. There's another one. You see, I've just like, it is sewn in. You can see on the edges right here, they've been sewn in, like that. So you can do that with them. Another idea is the bookmark idea, which is like that. Or make a charm. So charm's easy. A ring, a pin, make your hole, or use thread, and voila. He's good to go. And he can hang off or whatever you want to do with him. The other ones I've done is I've taken thread, and whatever thread you want is completely fine. And I'm gonna use, this is the one I'm gonna do, because I'm actually gonna give it to somebody at school. I'm gonna double this up several times. Not sure how long I want the tail to be, but that's cute. That'd be kind of nice. And I get them all? Yeah. All right. So what you can do is you can braid it, whatever you like to do. Sometimes I just fold it over and I pinch it. If you pinch it tight enough, it will actually go through the loop. Okay, so that's kind of like the back and that's the front. So I'm going to stick it, if you stick it through the front, it's really easy. He may not go, I might have to pinch him a little tighter. And I pull it. I have no nails. There we go. And I'm going to pull them like this, and then I'm going to open up the little loop that I smashed, if I can get it. Oh, there he is. Like so. So it's halfway in, I have my little loop, and then I'm going to stick the tail through the little loop, like this, and I'm going to pull it. And I'll tighten it up, and it makes a little knot. If you pull it too tight, though, you could rip out the plastic. So if it has beeswax on it, it'll be kind of stiff, and you can kind of pinch it. I can go in, and I can do half hitches or wrap it or whatever I want to do if I want to braid them. But there you go. That's how you do it. Sometimes I take it and I'll do beads or not. Just take a little knot. I just do some granny knots, and you can treat them like beads. And so I'll go every once in a while, and I'll just do another granny knot. And so they look like little beads, and they're not. It's just a thread. Like that. And I'll even do all of them. I'll just do random ones down the threads. So let's go do another one. What if we do this light pink one? I'll do more at the bottom of this one. And it looks like little beads, but it's not. You don't have to worry about them coming out. You don't have to worry about them falling off, anything like that. You can double up the knots if you want and make them thicker, but I actually prefer the smaller knots. I feel like they look more like seed beads. Should have done this before, but I didn't. But normally what I do is I take either sandpaper or I take an emery board and I just file any little sharp edges I see. This one doesn't really have any, but some of these kind of do. And you can just kind of go around like that. You could use one of these. And any little edges that I see that kind of, I don't like that point on there, I just file it like that. This one is good to go. He's got his little knots done. Kind of sticking together now because of the beeswax. You do not have to wax it, but I like doing that. So, and then what I'll do with the rest of these is before I do anything with them is I'll file down any little points, like there's a little point on that. Clover was okay, but I'll just check them for any little sharp points from my scissors cutting it. Yeah, I think he's ready to go. So there you go. I had a great time this afternoon arting with you. I'm making bookmarks and charms and little doodads and laminating these leaves. Like I said, it has been on my to-do list for a while. And remember, you can sew them onto different things. It doesn't have to be a bookmark, but if you do use them, they will become bleached if they get hit by the sun a lot. So I'm gonna head out, gotta go grab the bird. Have a great afternoon, and I'll see you next time.